Let us see how you can create super fields. Click on add super fields. Here enter the field label. So we are naming it as, say for example, city. Here select the data type. Now you can select if the value of this field is going to be text. Text multiline is good for addresses, email, URL, phone number, numeric number, amount, decimal, address, date, date and time, periodic time. We have a lot of options here. You can refer to the entire table in the documentation about each option. Now for city, right now I'll be selecting the option of drop down. And then for every drop down super field, you can have boards enabled as well. Now in case of drop down, you can have predefined options. Say for example, city is Delhi, Mumbai, maybe Dubai and Singapore. You can define a default value in case of drop down, and then you can also have a help text. You can define if this super field is a required field or not. Should it be displayed in the contacts page? Should it be displayed as a label in the chat inbox? And should it be displayed in the sidebar in the chat inbox? After this, click on save field. Now the benefit of super field above the earlier custom fields in CRM is you can have lots of predefined fields, which is good for managing the data more effectively. Say for example, you want to have a field called as gender, and you can have a fixed defined drop down option as male or female. Previously at times you might have written male as M, female as F, and at times entire male and female, which obstructed your way of managing the data, filtering the data. But now it can be in more systematic and organized way. So we have an entire documentation on each field type and what values it can store or how it can be utilized. But this is how you can create the super fields. Thank you.